Hello, my name's Finn Staton and I'm a Parks apprentice here at Stoke-on-Trent City Council, and I also attend Reaseheath College.
My name's Ryan. I'm sitting a level 2 apprentice at City Stoke-on-Trent Council at Reaseheath.
Well, before this apprenticeship I did media studies. It was just more of a thing I didn't know what to do, but I was still at that time helping my dad out with gardening and some of his clients, and then thankfully this position came, so I took that.
I think an apprenticeship is a good way to start off, especially from a young age, as you can get on them at 16. I feel like they just help you a lot more to open yourself up. You're learning for the first full year, and after that then you've got your qualifications, you can go and apply for a full job with full qualifications, ready to just start a job properly.
I would definitely recommend Reaseheath College because of the food at lunchtime is amazing. It's so different to what you used to get in high school.
I think the teaching way is a lot different at Reaseheath College. I feel like they help you with practical a lot more. Even the theory lessons, I feel like you're involved with them and you're not just sat there with a piece of paper.
All the teachers, that it's like they genuinely do care about your education. They'll take the time out to make sure you understand the tasks. Altogether, it's just a very welcoming college, university type area. But the advice I'd give someone for starting this place is, it does just get easier. Just each day it'll get a bit more. You won't get it in one day at all. Practice makes perfect with it.
Personally, I'd say just come in with an open mindset and be ready to learn all different types of stuff. It isn't just what you think it's going to be. There's so much you need to learn. Just come in open-minded and ready to learn all different stuff and ready all different plants.
I think people should do apprenticeships because different people learn different ways, and if you're more of a hands-on person, instead of exactly sitting in a classroom all the time, with an apprenticeship you're a mix of both. So if you learn better doing hands-on things, an apprenticeship is definitely the better way forwards. You can really, you grasp it a lot easier, I think.
So with apprenticeship, that stood out to me was you're getting paid to go college. I feel like it's just a perfect thing for someone who's just left school, even someone who's a bit older who wants to get some qualifications behind them and then go into full-time work. Just think it's good how they pay an apprentice, decent amount of wage still, and it just helps them a lot, especially college.